Hello everybody, this is Family English with Mr. Kabada. Topics English for grade 12 University Entrance Examination please. So the questions are from different lessons. So I'm going to give clear clarification for each question and I hope you will get some key pointers, some hints and which are important to your entrance examination. So let me start for the first question, please. Yeah. The first question here, let me just give you the strategies how you are going to deal for grammar questions. First, you to understand the intent of the question. After understanding the intent of the question, you directly come to the distractors and you are intending to answer the question. This is the way, the approach of answering for the grammar question because grammar questions are focused or based on hints. So you have to identify or underline or state or dig out the hints to which encourages to answer for the correct grammar form, please here. So that's the approach of answering for grammar questions. So the first one is I had studied a lot. I had studied a lot. Blank. I did really well on the test. So the distractors are so, and here is for and but, and here is yet. All the four distractors are coordinating conjunctions which possibly join to mean clause to make compound sentence here. When do you use so? If the second is the result for the first one. In short, if there is a cause and effect relationship, you are better use so. For if there is a reason, or maybe the reasons that something happens, so for is the right. And but which joins to opposite or to contrast vowels. Of course, but is the right word. Yet, which is a strong use of but here. So what do you think of the sentence here? I studied a lot. And then what's the result or the effect of doing something very hard? I did really well on the test. So the answer is so, because this is the result for the first place. Yeah, there is cause-effect relationship here. Second question. Blank, my friend studied a lot. Blank is a genius because he got an A+ on the test here. Either or, neither nor, not only but also not but. These distractors are also kinds of conjunctions, especially the correlative conjunctions, which are found in pairs and they possibly join one word to the other word, one phrase to the other phrase, one clause to the other clause. So they are special compared from the other conjunctions, especially from the other coordinating and subordinating conjunctions here. There are two blank spaces here. So which one do you think is the right correlative conjunction? Yeah, blank, my friend studied a lot. He's a genius. Just my friend has two best qualities. Studied a lot and he's a genius. Yes, either or, one of the two, not only both the two at the same time. እነዚህ ኮሬሌቲቭ ኮንጀክሽንስ ናቸው የምንጠቀምባቸው በተለያየ ኮንቴክስት ነው። አይዘር ኦር ማለት ከሁለት አንዱ ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ናይሰር ኖር ማለት ኖት ዋን ኖት ዲ አዘር ሁለቱንም አይደለም ማለት ነው፣ ምርጫችን አይደለም። ነት ኦንሊ በት ኦልሶ ማለት አትሊስት ሁለተኛው ከመጀመሪያው ጋር ሄዳል ወይም ሁለተኛው ሐሳብ ለመጀመሪያው ሐሳብ ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ ሆኖ ያገለግላል። በሌላ አገላለጽ ኖት ኦንሊ በት ኦልሶ ማለት ቦት ኤንድ ማለት ነው። ኖት በት ይሄም ሌላ ኮሬሌቲቭ ኮንጀክሽን አይደለም። አክቹሊ እዚህ ጋር ሐሳቡን ስታዩት ኖት ኦንሊ በት ኦልሶ ማለት ነው። ኖት ኦንሊ ማይ ፍሬንድ ስተዲ አ ሎት በት ኦልሶ ዘ ጂኒየስ ነው። He's a genius because he got an A+ on the test. So the answer is not only but also both and both my friends studied a lot and he is a genius. So the right answer is C. I'll give you some another example questions about not only but also. Not only just I invited I do not only invite him to my party, but also I sent him a card to the party. Yes, I sent him a card to the party. ስለዚህ ሁለት ነገሮች ግብዣው ላይ ፓርቲው ላይ መጋበዝ ብቻ ሳይሆን ፓርቲው ላይ የሚመጣበት መኪና ልኬለታል። ሁለት ኮንዲሽኖችን የሚያያይዝ ነው not only but also ማለት። All right. Question number 3. Blank in the shower. I was obvious to the doorbell ringing. Yes, right. Blank in the shower. I was obvious to the doorbell ringing. Yeah. Singing. To sing. Singing means the present participle, an infinitive phrase, past participle, and this is called after thinking is not a kind of participle አይደለም actually. Yeah, So what's the answer here? Singing in the shower ማለት ድርጊቱን እየፈጸምኩ ያለው ነው ማስበት የተፈለገው participle adjective ነው what kind of participle the present participle adjective እንለዋለን ይሄን singing in the shower ማለት while singing in the shower I was unaware to the doorbell ringing you know or I was obvious ማለት unconscious to the doorbell ringing you know yeah ስለዚህ ማን ነው መልሳችሁ singing yeah which is participle act as a subject of the sentence here to sing infinitive phrase no to sing in the shower it doesn't act as an action is happening at the time of speaking ማለት አይደለም ይሄ to sing ማለት ስለዚህ እሱ ሊሆን አይችልም ለማለት ነው She was blank dinner well I called She was blank dinner when I called A eats B is eating C was eating and D eating This question is called the tense question yeah የቴንስ ጥያቄ ስትመልሱ መጀመሪያ እዚህ ጋር የተሟላው አረፍተ ነገር ላይ ጥያቄው ላይ ፍንጭ የሰጣችሁ ኮንቴክስት አለ እሱን መረዳት በጣም ትልቅ ብልህነት ነው የሚሆነው ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ያለውን ጥያቄ she was blank dinner when I called ስንል የሆነ ፍንጭ ሰጥቶኛል which is an afterward action ነው short action ነው when I called ስን when I called ማለት simple past action ነው ስለዚህ simple past ከማን ጋር ሊሄድ ይችላል ብለን ነው ማሰብ የሚገባን ሁለተኛ there is a clue here ፍንጭ አለን she was አይደለ she was ካለ እዚህ ጋር የሚቀጥለው word በጀረንድ ፎርም ወይም በing ፎርም መገለጹ መስራት የለብንም በሌላ አገላለጽ when I called ማለት short action ነው by chance የተፈጠረ event ነው ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው event first action ነው በpast continuous እንገልጸዋለን ስለዚህ በpast continuous ለመገለጹ ፍንጭ የሰጣችሁ ጉዳይ ማለት was ነው ስለዚህ eating ብለን እንመልሳለን ነው yes she was eating dinner when I called she was ብለን አንመለስም she was eats አትሉም she was is eating አትሉም so the answer is was eating dinner when I called the right answer ምን ማለት ነው she was eating dinner when I called her yes when I suddenly called her she was in the middle of eating dinner ነው አይደል በአጋጣሚ እየጠራዋት እንደነበር እሷ ራቷን እየተመገበች ነበር ለማለት ነው ጽንሰ ሐሳቡ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ the past continuous event እንለዋለን ይሄን past continuous event please the next question here I've written a letter to my friend look here I've written a letter to my friend blank he will read and will write a response so when so that drink and because የconjunction ጥያቄዎች ናቸው እዚህ ጋር የconjunction ጥያቄ እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄ ሲሆን when is a kind of conjunction especially time reference conjunction so that purpose adverbs or purpose conjunction actually adverbs or subordinate conjunction የምትሉት ይሄን during time ነው cause reason ነው okay reason ነው ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚፈልገው I've written a letter to my friend so that he will read and will write a response so that in order that so right and እሱ ነው result ነው ስለዚህ ጻፍኩለት ደብዳቤ አንብቦ መልስ ይጽፍልኛል ነው ስለዚህ አንብቦ መልስ ይጽፍልኛል ነው ስለዚህ ለምንድን ነው የጻፍኩት ስለዚህ reason purpose አለኝ ማለት ነው የገለጽኩበት purpose አለኝ ማለት ነው so that መልሳችን ይሆናል next I went to that restaurant blank I was told it wasn't very good despite so cause of for come on please I went to that restaurant I was told it wasn't very good ሬስቶራንቱ ሄጃለሁ ሬስቶራንቱ ጥሩ አይደለም ጥሩ አለመሆኑን ተነግሬያለሁ ሄጃለሁ ጥሩ አለመሆኑን ተነግሮኛል ሰምቻለሁ ሁለት ሐሳቦች ግንኙነታቸው ምንድነው despite adverb clause of contrast ነው actually despite in spite of though although even though even if adverb clause of contrast or conjunction both these two words are in the same group but the difference is the way that we use despite and in spite of the way that we use although even though and even if are completely different let me explain it if you are intended to use despite and in spite of plus noun or noun phrase not a clause please despite and in spite of ስታያይዙ ፍሬዝን ተከትሎ ነው በተለይ ስማዊ ሐረግን ተከትሎ ነው የሚሄዱ ክሎዝን ተከትሎ አይሄዱም ክሎዝ ማለት subject plus verb structureን ተከትሎ አይሄዱም so even so also even if ማለት ደግሞ ፍሬዝን ሳይሆን ተከትለው የሚሄዱት ክሎዝን ተከትለው ይሄዳሉ ክሎዝ ማለት subject plus verb structureን ተከትለው ይሄዳሉ because of reason phrase ነው የምንለው reason phrase ነው ይሄ reason የሚገልጽ አይደለም conjunction ነው reason የሚገልጽ አይደለም so the answer is በቀላሉ ማን ትመልሳላችሁ so ትመልሳላችሁ because the structure here is a clause please I was told it wasn't yeah I went to that restaurant though I was told it wasn't reason ምንም እንኳን ሆቴሉ መጥፎ ነው ብሎ ቢነገረኝም ሬስቶራንቱ ላይ ሄጄ ነበር ማለት so ብለን ነው እንመልሰው great please nice it is our boss asked us to take detailed notice blank nothing will be forgotten nothing will be forgotten nothing will be forgotten so as so that as if so as to yeah so as comparison no actually comparing adverse of comparison no ይሄኛው but እዚህ ጋር adverse of comparison አይፈልገኝም so that adverse of purpose no right adverse of purpose no purpose የሚገልጽ ሐሳብ ነው as if adverse of condition no possibility የሚገልጽ conjunction actually as if as though if as long as so long as on condition that providing that provided that and providing that so as to adverbs of purpose ከዚህ ጋር ተመሳሳይ አጠቃቀም አላቸው but the structure of the sentence completely different both these words are adverbs of purpose ናቸው here so our boss asked us to take detailed notice so that nothing would be forgotten ለምንድን ነው የነገረን detailed notice እንድንጽፍ ቦሳችን አለቃችን ነግሮናል እንድንጽፍ ጠይቆናል so that nothing would be ምንም ስለዚህ ምንም ነገር ሊረሳን አይችልም so that let me tell you here if the main clause is simple past the purpose clause will be could you would should might plus verb 1 አንዱ ፍንጭ የሰጠን ጉዳይ ነው አንደኛው ጉዳይ look here እዚህ ጋር ያለው implied was principal subject simple past ከሆነ purpose clause ይሄን structure ይዘናል ነው ሁለተኛ principal subject simple present or present perfect or present continuous ከሆነ እዚህ ጋር future tense which will can may shall plus verb 1 እንጠቀማለን እዚህ ጋር ያለው principal subject past perfect ከሆነ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ያለው structure conditional perfect could have should have might have plus verb 3 structure ልጠቅ this true for so that in order that and that please ይሄ ለማን ነው ፎርሙ ለso that እንደ in order that እና ለዛት እንጠቀምበታለን ነው ይሄን ሐሳብ በማን ልግለጸው በሰው አስቶ ልግለጸው our boss asked us to take detailed notice so as to remember easily look here so as to remember things easily ደግሞአለሁ our boss asked us to take detailed notice so as to in order to take things or to remember things easily ለምንድን ነው detailed notes እንድንጽፍ የጠየቀን ሁልቻውንም ነገር በቀላሉ መረዳት ማስተዋወስ እንድንችል ፐርፖዙ ይሄ ነው ሁለቱም አንድ ናቸው በዚህ ኮንቴክስት ግን መልሳችን so that ይሆናል nice it is please let's pass question number 8 please yeah question number 8 let's go outside blank this is a kind of tag question please actually there are different rules of asking or tag question which is important for confirming of information please here this is special let us the question or the statement begins with let us so let us the speaker is also included under this statement so the right tag question is shall we only shall we means I also include for this statement because let us go outside since the structure is positive the tag question will never be negative ሊሆን አይችልም ማለት ነው ስለዚህ whatever it is positive and negative the tag question is always shall we it's true for this statement please question number 9 Alex spent a very blank day at home yesterday the questions are participle questions please የparticiple ጥያቄዎች ናቸው the present participle the past participle and the perfect participle don't forget please here relaxed very relaxed ስንል past participle ነው past participle ማለት it is participle adjective ነው participle adjective ማለት how somebody feels no okay how somebody feels about something it doesn't touch about the cause of someone's feeling but how somebody feels የሰውየውን ስሜት የምንገልጽበት past participle እንለዋለን actually is a kind of adjective yes Alex spent a very relaxed day a very relaxing አይደለም because of Alex feeling አይደለም actually የሚገለው አይደለም a very relaxed day at home yesterday a very relaxed day ማለት አሌክስ በትናንትናው ዕለት በቱ ባሳለፈበት ሰዓት ምን ያክል ስሜት እንደተሰማው የሚገልጽ አረፍተ ነገር ነው how somebody feels ያልኳችሁ ለዚህ ነው yes how Alex spent a very relaxed day at home yesterday of course so not relaxing not relaxed not relaxing actually so the answer is the past participle true I'm never late for bus because it's when everyone looks at me yes here look the question I'm never late for bus I'm never late for class because it is blank when everyone looks at me embarrassed no the past participle embarrassing the present participle embarrassful an adjective embarrassfully adverb adjective and adverb do not have a space to complete the question you are out of this one please ምንም እነዚህ ሁለት ምርጫዎች ሊመጡ አይችሉም እዚህ ላይ አማራጫችን ማን ነው የሚለው either embarrassed ካልሆነ embarrassing ብለን ነው የምንመጣው I'm never late for bus because it is embarrassing when everyone looks at me it's embarrassed አይደለም it's embarrassing when everyone looks at me embarrassing means the cause of someone's feeling yeah I'm never late for class because it is embarrassing is embracing ማለት cause no when everyone looks at me actually so the right answer is embarrassing here question number 11 you can only play outside blank father guess how yes you can only play outside blank father guess how because reason ነው የሚገልጸው whereas contrast no while and whereas which are the same glue for coordinating conjunction for contrasting discourse marker whereas and while until adverse of time no in case also on condition that yeah you can only play outside until you pass a guess home yeah until it is till means certain time ማለት ነው wait certain time ሰዓት ማለት you can only play outside until you pass a guess home of course so the answer is until not because not whereas not in case nice next question here question number 12 the Panama Canal blank the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans will connect future connecting it's not a kind of tense actually connects simple present verb is connecting present continuous so when do we use future will if we use just will connect you can simply predict about the use of the Panama Canal predicting maybe just the Panama Canal will connect sometimes it will not connect yeah will connect ካላችሁ ላያገናኛቸው የሚችል ሁለቱን ኦሽኖች ላያገናኛቸው ይችላል ማለት ነው yes is connecting ማለት at the time being the time temporary ነው አይደል temporary situation after a while ይቀየራል ላያገናኛቸው ይችላል ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት is connecting ስትሉ one of the use of present continuous is it touches about an action is happening during at the time of speaking you know of course ስለዚህ temporary situation ነው አይሆንም ነው connect is which is permanent situation ምንድነው connect simple present አንዱ የpresent simple አጠቃቀም permanent situation inform እናደርግበት ብቸኛ ቴንስ so Panama Canal ደግሞ ሁለቱን ኦሽኖች የሚያገናኝ ስለዚህ the Panama Canal connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans that's generally true and acceptable so the right tense here is connects please that's the fact behind it fact እሱ ነው የምናያይዝበት I belong with some friends until I find a place of my own. Yeah, tense question now on me ጥያቄ I live simple present I'm living present continuous and lived simple past have lived present perfect here I belong with some friends until I find a place of my own I live with my some friends I'm living actually I lived አንልም I have lived some አንልም ምክንያቱም ሪዘልቱ ጋር ነው እዚህ ጋር የምንገናኘው of course sometimes ከአክሽኑም ሊያሳይ ይችላል have lived but the right answer here is I live yeah I live with some friends until I find a place of my own yeah I live ማለት permanent ነው yes permanent context ነው የሚገልጽልኝ ስለዚህ live ብለን እንመልሳለን Question number 14 The police me on my way home last night Of course There is a clue a hint here There is signal expression here last night እዚህ ጋር ያለው signal expression አንድ የሆነ ቴንስ ላይ እንዳተኩርና እንድመልስ አስገዶኛል ይሄን በማይክሮ ሰከንድ መመለስ የሚገባኛው On my last night አላለ simple present ነው simple past ነው present continuous ነው and past perfect ነው እነዚህ ሁለቱ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም had stopped in past perfect ሊሆን አይችልም ምክንያቱም last time የሚለው signal expression ሊወስድ አይችልም መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው stopped ነው የሚሆነው ያ The police stopped me on my way home last night በቃ stopped simple past for definite time ማለት ነው ማለት definite time ማለት there is a specific time that an event happened in the past so it's a really simple past It's really simple past. Nice. I've written the email, but I haven't sent it. I've written the email, but I haven't sent it blank. Yeah. Tense question, especially adverb ጥያቄ ነው ይሄ. So, adverb ነው, result ይገልጻል. Yet, of course, adverbs of time ነው, especially it's true for present perfect and sometimes simple present negative. And already, adverb ነው. It is true for present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect እንጠቀምበታለን before simple past time adverb ነው አሁን ጥያቄው I have written the letter present perfect ነው but I haven't sent present perfect ነው the answer is yet please yet ማለት ሁለት አጠቃቀም አለ it is present perfect time adverb ነው which is important to give clues to use for present perfect one if the statement is negative we had better use yet Second, we had better if there is a present perfect question, we had better use yet. Present perfect question, present perfect negative statement ከሆነ yet እንጠቀማለን and commonly it comes at the end of the sentence ላይ ይመጣል. So the answer is yet. Yet በራሱ negative meaning ነው. Until ነው ማለት ነው yet ማለት. Yes. Until ነው ፍንጭ የሰጣችሁ I haven't sent it yet እስካሁን ድረስ ደብዳቤውን አላኩትም ለማለት ነው. So great. I think it is great. So the answer is yet. They belong tennis 3 times this week. Clear question. መጀመሪያ ቅድም መነሻ እንደናገርኩ ፍንጩን አገኙ ቴንስ ላይ ጥያቄው ላይ ነው በደንብ አያውቅም ይገባችሁ ያ They belong tennis 3 times this week. Played simple past, have played present perfect, and are playing present continuous, play simple present. You know, just sometimes 3 times means this question or this statement can be answered how many and how much 3 times how many and how much so if they answer how many and how much we can normally use for the present perfect the past perfect and the future perfect ሁለቱን ሶስቱን ቴንሶች ፐርፌክቶች እንጠቀማለን ግን this week አለን እዚህ ጋር አይደል ስለዚህ ማን ነው መልሳችሁ I have played tennis 3 times this week how many times have you played tennis this week ብለህ 3 times because there is a result the result is connected with the time of speaking ምን ያክል ተጫወት በዚህ ሳምንት ቴንስ 3 ጊዜ ተጫውቼ ነበር አይደለም 3 ጊዜ ተጫውቻል ወይም 3 ጊዜ ተጫወቅኩ ብለ ነው ስለዚህ present perfect ማለት how much and how many የሚለውን ጥያቄ ይመልሳል አንዱ አጠቃቀም ለምሳሌ አንድ ጃኬት ምን ያክል ገዛው ትተኝ how much have you bought the jacket how much have you bought the jacket I have bought 3000 ብር ነው ማለት how much የሚለውን ጥያቄ መለሰኝ uncountable ነው how many ካልኩ ደግሞ countable ነው 3 times የሚለው ነገር ስለሰጠኝ counter ነው so how many ይጠቀማል so the answer is have played present perfect ፍንጭ ሰጠኝ how many የሚለውን ጥያቄ ማረፍተ ነገር ስለገለጸልኝ በሱ እገዛለሁ question number 70 I offered her something to eat but she was not hungry she belonged breakfast yeah I offered her something to eat, yeah, but she wasn't hungry. She had just have the, it's not a kind of tense actually. Tense are present perfect አይደለም past perfect አይደለም ስለዚህ out of the choice ነው የሚሆነው had just had past perfect ማለት ነው has had of course present perfect ማለት ነው ማለት is having present continuous ነው ሶስቱሞቹ የሚጫወቱ ግን እዚህ ጋር አረፍተ ነገሩ የሚያወራው ስለ past ነው የሚያወራላችሁ ሶን ምሳ እንድትበላ የሆነ ነገር እንድትበላ ጋብዤታለሁ but አራባትም ነበር ለምንድነው ያራባት because she had just had breakfast nice please she had just had a short time ago ቁርሷን በልታ ነበር ከመጋዜ በፊት ቁርሷን በልታ ነበር ለዚህ ነው ያራባ ስለዚህ መመገብ አልፈለገችም መመገብ ብላት አልፈለገችም she has already eaten her breakfast ማለት ነው she had already eaten ለምንድን ነው past perfect የተጠቀምኩት because all the context refer about past tense she wasn't hungry I offered to that's why I'm tending to answer has just had mean just means a short time ago ማለት ነው before I invite her she has just had a breakfast she doesn't or she didn't like to eat she was not hungry okay that's right please ይሄ ነው ሎጂካችሁ ተመልሱ when you worked in your just last work blank your own office how do you get do you have look here when you worked in your last job ስለባለፈው ባለፈውን ስራ ስትሰራ ነበር did you have your own office ነበረ የራስ ቢሮ ነበረ ነው የምንለው አይደል how do you አንልም have you got አትልም do you አትሉም did you have your own office የራስ ቢሮ ነበረን because the statement offers about or the talks about simple past tense so the right question word is did you she blanked tomorrow she has got her plane ticket yes she blanked tomorrow she has got her plane ticket አሁንም የጥያቄ የቴንስ question ነው will live future tense lives present for future planned action future timetable or schedule ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ is living future planned action ነው will be living future continuous ማለት ነው ስለዚህ will live ማለት simply predict ነው የምናደርገው live ማለት planned action already 78-80% ይሆናል is living planned action ነው actually yeah she is leaving tomorrow she has got her plane ticket she is leaving exactly አሁን lives ብትሉ እዚህ ጋር lives ብትሉ ይሄ schedule time ለምሳሌ she lives at 30 tomorrow ነው የምትሉት ያ she lives at 30 tomorrow schedule የሚያሳይ specific time ብሎ lives እንመርጣለን ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር የለኝም simply ግን she has got her plane ticket already she has decided to leave the country ማለት ነው yes she has got her plane ticket ማለት የፕሌን ቲኬት አላት already decide አድርጋለች ለመልቀቅ ሀገሩን ስለዚህ is leaving ነው ይሄ ማለት decision before ነው decision ነው ማለት አለ decision before ከሆነ ደግሞ future planned action ነው future planned action በምን እንገልጸዋለን is or are or am plus verb ing እንጠቀምበታለን the right structure here is living there's a difference between lives and is living I'm trying to identify when to use lives and when to use is living please take care of that please question number 20 I've decided to get married Alice a blank married next week I'm getting married yeah you know I'm getting married next week I'm going to marry next week of course ይሄ future planned action ነው future intention ነው sometimes future intention እና future planned action ተመሳሳይ ናቸው ነገር ግን I have decided ነው ያላችሁ እዚህ ጋር I have decided to get married Alice so I'm getting married next week ነው ማለት I'm getting already decided እዚህ ጋር ነው አለ ካሁን በፊት ተወስኗል ማለት ነው አክሽኑ ግን next ላይ planned ነው next ይከናወናል future planned action ምንለው ይሄን ነው ይሄኛው future intention so sometimes there is a difference there is a gap of using for future intention and future planned action ይሄ planned ነው ይሄ planned አይደለም ይሄ planned አይደለም ማለት intention ነው if a person is intended to do something in the future if a person is inclined to do something in the future if a person has an object to do something in the future I'm going to እንጠቀማለን is going to or are going to እንጠቀማለን ስለዚህ ሁለቱ ልዩነት አላቸው a little bit so the answer is I'm getting yeah I want to make it clear please hi well late the film blank by the time we get to the cinema exactly well late this is a context we are late it doesn't refer about the past and the future but it refers about the present here the film by the time we get we have already started future perfect simple future and present perfect here and past perfect ማለት ነው past perfect አይደለም ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ያለው ኮንቴክስት present ነው has started of course ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር የሚጋብዛችሁ ነገር ደግሞ present ነው ስለዚህ መርጣችሁ ማለት ነው will have already started yeah we are late the film will have already started by the time we get to the cinema ሲኒማ እንደደረስኩ ፊልሙ በቀጥታ ይጀምራል ሲኒማ ቤቱ እንደደረስኩኝ ፊልሙ ይጀምራል በቀጥታ ይጀምራል we get to the cinema my mother will have given look here my mother will have by the time I get home ማለት ልክ ቤቴ እንደርኩ እናቴ ምሳን ሰጠኛለች an action will have completed will be ended will be finished by the expected time in the future perfect ምንለው ይሄን ነው በተወሰነ ሰዓት ሊሚትድ በሆነ ሰዓት ወደፊት የምንፈጽመውን ድርጊት ምንገልጽበት ቴንሳችን future perfect ነው ለዚህ ነው will have already started ያልነው as soon as I walked into the room a blank smell gas as soon as modal words ናቸው or modal verbs can and will and could and must. Can ability form ability verb ነው possibility ነው permission invitation offer asking permission giving permission እንጠቀምበታለን will actually prediction ነው sometimes certainty ይገልጽልናል could general ability ነው የምንጠቀምበት general ability እንጠቀምበታለን sometimes conditional እንጠቀምበታል special conditional too so the right word is as soon as I walked into the room I could smell gas general ability ማለት ነው ማለት I could smell I could taste I could hear I could see I could touch yeah could plus or the 5 state verbs are possible please ከብካቹ ለምን general ability ስለሚገልጽልን could ከአምስቱ state verbs ጋር አንድ ጋር ይሄዳል ነው as soon as I walked into the room I could smell gas yes general ability ነው general ability ነው እየገለጽኩ ያለሁት ስለዚህ can አንልም ሌሎች ሞዳል ቨርቦች appropriate አይደሉም አሁን የሰጠው justification clear ነው ለኩድ አጠቃቀም question number 23 David was lucky he blanked himself when he fell but he is okay yes he was lucky could avert future perfect or simple past future perfect or not conditional modal perfect no an action was possible but it didn't happen it could have ማለት ይቻል ነበር ግን አልተፈጸመም ነው could have hurt ማለት could hurt ማለት actually simple present result ነው ያለው can hurt the wrong structure meaningless አይደለም structure በራሱ can be hurt of course ልክ ነው can be plus could be plus verb ስሩ ይሄ ነው irregular verb ስለሆነ ማለት ነው David was look እዚህ ጋር ምን ይሰጠን ይሄው was lucky could have hurt he could have hurt himself when he fell but he's okay yes but he's okay ከቷቸው አለ could have hurt ስለዚህ እርሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው ይሄ ነው ልዩነት አላቸው ሁለቱ ማለት ነው question number 24 Lois Blanc get very bored in her job she does the same thing every year modal verb question is must certainty if you have evidence must is so obligation duty responsibility sometimes advice እነዚህ ሁሉ ስራ ይሰራል must will sometimes prediction ነው certainty የሚገልጻል has get possession ነው actually might unreal or something which is not true which is not real ይገልጽልኛል might ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር ግን የሚገልጽላችሁ ነገር አለ please Lois get very bored in her job she does the same thing every day አሁን ምንድነው መሰላችሁ እዚህ ጋር she does the same thing every day ማለት በየቀኑ ተመሳሳይ ነገር ነው የምትሰራው ስለዚህ Lois must get very bored ነው የምትሉት ይከቷቸዋል I must get very bored because I do the same thing throughout my age yes I must bored with my job በቃ ስራዬ በጣም ደብሮኛል because እድሜ ልኬን ተመሳሳይ ስራ ነው የምሰራው ምንድነው እየገለጽኩ ያለሁት must ነው certainty ገለጸልኝ evidence ገለጸልኝ ስለዚህ the right answer here is must ብለን መልሳለን question number 25 the smallest district near the Greenland blank he grew up is attractive and city where why which and when በነገራችን ላይ where why when relative adverbs ናቸው ልክ relative pronoun እንደምንላቸው ሶስቱ relative adverbs ሲሆኑ ይሄኛው placeን ይገልጻል why reasonን ይገልጻል when timeን ይገልጻል which relative adverb ሳይሆን relative pronoun ነው joining pronoun ነው ሁለቱ ይለያያሉ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ቀላል ጥያቄ ነው the smallest district near the Greenland ሲል place ነው indicate የሚያደርገው መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው where በቃ simply ምንም አያስቸግረንም ማለት ነው nice thus the blank way to reach the beach on time thus the blank way to reach the beach on time the easiest and easy ይሄ degrees of comparative question ነው actually ግን which is very easy yeah? This is blank way to reach the beach on time the mean article አለን ስለዚህ ማን ነው የምትሉት the easiest way superlative degree the easiest አንልም the easier አትሉም ምክንያቱም easier comparative ነው article ዘን አይወስድም the easiest አትሉም easy positive degree ነው so ፍንጭ የሰጣችሁ ነገር ምንድነው that's the easiest way to reach the beach on time so the answer is easiest ብላችሁ ትሄዳላችሁ question number 27 he looks childish but he blank he ages he is aging but he is aged He's aged. Yeah. The new supermarket blank next Friday. Will open. Future tense. Opens. Simple present. Is opening. Present continuous. Opening simple is a kind of gerund tense question አይደለም ይሄ ጥያቄ ማለት ጥያቄው tense ነው ግን ይሄ አይደለም tense አይደለም presentም past ማለትም አይደለም actually the new supermarket blank next Friday will open አይደለም ምንድነው is openingም አይደለም ነው opens ነው ስፔሻሊ እነዚህ ቨርቦች አሉ አይደለ ለምሳሌ ምንድናቸው ቨርቦች አሉ continuous form we have to leave lands start begin and opens close ምንላቸው special exceptional words ናቸው they don't have any continuous form የላቸውም so the right word here is opens ነው sometimes general truthንም ይገልጻል opens ስንል yes the shop opens at 7:30 ብል general truthን ይገልጻል okay the shop opens at 7:30 ብል general truthንም ይገልጻል Peter blank in the tense several times yeah Peter blank in the tense several times yeah of course clear has left the present perfect, the past perfect, past continuous, and simple past. Several times. Has slept. Has slept in the tense several times. Of course, had slept is also possible. ሁለቱም መሆን ይችላሉ ልክ ነው Peter had slept in the tense several times መሆን ይችላል Peter has slept in the tense several times ሁለቱም መሆን ይችላሉ ምክንያቱም it answered the question how many and how much የሚሆን ጥያቄ ሁለቱም ይመልሳሉ of course ስለዚህ ሁለቱ መልስ ናቸው She's lucky she has blank problems yeah እነዚህ adjectives of quantity ምንላቸው quantity in number quantity in amount ምንላቸው በሁለት ካታጎሪ እንከፍላቸዋለን a few and few countable noun or quantity in number ማለት ነው a little and little quantity in amount ናቸው actually ስለዚህ she has problems ሲንል countable ነው ሁለቱ ያስፈልገኝም ማለት ነው a little and little impossible because they are countable they use for countable noun but here is problems one problem two problems third count እናደርገዋለን countable noun ነው so we focus on a few and few እንጠቀማለን she's lucky ያለ ማለት she has few problems almost የለባትም ችግር ማለት ነው a few ስትሉ some not many small number ማለት ነው አይደል few ስንል ማለት almost close to negative ነው almost አይደል close ወደ negative የላትም ወደሚል ለምሳሌ the town is boring there are a few tourists come to visit few tourists come to visit few tourists ስንል almost ብዙ tourists አይመጣም ማለት ነው አይደል ምክንያቱም ከዛው boring ነው ያለው አይደል ስለዚህ the same is for here ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ C ነው የምትሉት you blank fat if you eat too many desserts you blank fat if you eat too many desserts grow okay will grow and will grow will grow would grow የቴንስ የኮንዲሽናል ጥያቄ ነው please take care please the question begins with the main clause በሜን ክሎዝ ነው የጀመረው if ክሎዝ ላይ ትመጣላችሁ if you eat አለ if you eat ማለት eat the word it is simple present ነው አለ ይሄ if ክሎዝ ነው if ነው simple present ነው ስለዚህ will grow will can may plus verb 1 እንጠቀማለን conditional type 1 or an open condition or likely condition የምንለው ነገር ነው okay ምክንያቱም ፍንጭ የሰጠ ቁጥር እዚህ ጋር ያለው ነገር ነው so the answer is will grow question number 32 I don't know where Helen is you blank her in the library Yes, I don't know. Yeah, unreality, unsureness ነው የሚገልጸው እርግጠኛን አለመሆን ነው I don't know where Helen is. You might find her in her library, yeah? You might find her. Somebody is not sure about something. So right, might, may. True please. ሁለቱን እንጠቀምበታለን. Yes, nice. Question number 33. Take all your belongings with you. You leave the plane. Where? Place no when time before time since also time but we use in different occasions for this time adverbs please actually where I want where you live አይደለም የምትለው ከአውሮፕላን ላይ ስትወርድ ሁሉም ያንተን እቃዎች ይዘው ሆደ ነው ስለዚህ when ማለት ነው አይደል before you leave አትልም አይደል when you leave ማለት two things happen at the same time ልክ ከመቀመጫ ተነስተህ ስትወርድ እቃዎችን ያንተን belonging ይዘው ወጣ ነው የሚል አይደል before you leave the plane tell or you'll be before you leave ከመልቀቅ በፊት አይደለም የምትለው the structure is different if you use before please before የምትጠቀም ከሆነ structure እንደዚህ አይደለም ይቀየራል structure which is past perfect እንጠቀማለን here before you left ነው ነው before you left the town you had arranged every materials every belongings ከመልቀቅ በፊት ያንተን ማቴሪያሎች ቅድሚያ አዘጋጅ ነው እንደዛ ከሆነ before ነው ግን past perfect ማለት እዚህ ጋር past perfect አይደለም simple present ነው simple present with imperative ነው ስለዚህ the right ወርዳችን ማለት ወይ ነው አንዱ የወይን አጠቃቀም simple present and conditional ላይ እንጠቀምበታለን future ላይ እንጠቀምበታለን so the right answer is when please Asrat a dialogue which game do you like to play በለተ which game an interrogative adjective ነው ጥያቄው which game ነው ጥያቄው playing game is my favorite exercise wrong my friend likes to play it's not our business whether my friend likes to play for no yeah chess my friend yes of course my intention is about which game what kind of game do you like to play yes chess is my favorite game exactly chess a kind of game so the answer is chess next question Murat and Lula plan times how we left to leave the country a few weeks only how many times how often how much how left ቀደም ብያለሁ how many times because here is countable now so how many times have you left to leave the country yeah a few weeks only not how often not how much የምንጠቀም ከሆነ uncountable ነው how left is not an appropriate question word totally impossible ነው how often adverse frequency or time መጠየቅ ስንፈልግ ለምሳሌ how often do you speak English sometimes ልል እችላለሁ how often do you help your mother rarely ልል እችላለሁ okay ይሄን ጥያቄ how often times ብለን አልመልስም how many times have you left to leave the country a few weeks only of course so the answer is A ብለን መልሳለን these are actually the 35 questions which as I told you before touch about the different grammar corners I try to give clear explanation for a question things which are not difficult maybe if you do not understand you can talk through my contact address or maybe if you have any kind of argument about my answer and my question try to contact through my cell phone and we'll discuss with me through my telegram or my cell phone please I think you will get some important information about how you are going to answer the grammar questions and watch the video write comment subscribe and share my videos to your friends there is also a second part for the time being thank you bye